Greetings, my name is Kishondan, son of Krishnan, ID B0818103115. Today, I'm going to explain about power transformers. What are power transformers? A power transformer is a static machine used for transforming power from one circuit to another without changing the frequency. Power transformers are used to changing the frequency. Power transformers is a transition between voltage levels. The entire system consists of large number of generations, locations, distribution points and interconnection within the system or neighboring system. A transformer helps in minimizing the loss of power even at very high voltages because of its resistance. It carries the received power to an exact range to ensure that the power is utilized according to the requirement. Only there are many different types of transformers and each type is used for a different purpose. Okay, there are four main types of power transformers. 1. Auto transformers. 2. Polyphase transformers. 3. Leakage transformers. And the fourth, resonant transformers. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Azimah Azizi, matric number B0818100207. Okay, now I will explain about the operation two types of power transformer. There are many types of power transformer, but I will just explain about two types of power transformer, which are auto transformer and resonant transformer. Auto transformer only have one winding. The current of the primary and secondary windings are flowing on the opposite direction, so that the total current flowing through the common part of the winding is equal to the difference between the current on the low voltage winding and the current on the high voltage winding. Auto transformer have two steps in auto transformer. If apply an AC voltage between point C and D and measure a bigger output voltage between point A and B, it is a step-up auto transformer. If apply an AC voltage between point A and B and measure a lower output voltage between point C and D, it is step-down auto transformer. Second operation of power transformer is resonant transformer, a high voltage transformer in which the secondary circuit is turned to the frequency of power supply. It consists of winding resistance, magnetizing reactance, leakage reactance of the windings.
Hi, my name is Nurul Azarina binti Abdul Rahim. Now, I will explain about the advantage and disadvantage of power transformer compared to other transformers. Now, I will explain the difference between power transformer and distribution transformer. Firstly, for definition for power transformer is stepping out the voltage for efficient transmission, while the definition for distribution transformer is stepping down the voltage in order to be consumed. The place for power transformer is using in a transmission line means between generation and substation, while the place using in distribution transformer is using in distribution line means between local substation and consumer. The winding connection for power transformer is primary winding connected in star and secondary in delta. It's opposite to distribution transformer where primary winding connected in delta and secondary in star. Now, I will explain about the advantage power transformer compared to distribution transformer. Firstly, the efficiency. The efficiency for power transformer operating at maximum, while for distribution transformer, it's operating around 60 to 70%. Next, the generally rate. For power transformer, it's above 200 megawatt ampere, while for distribution transformer, it's generally rate less than 200 megawatt ampere. Last but not least, the flux density. The flux density for power transformer is higher, while for distribution transformer, it's lower than power transformer. Now, I will explain the disadvantage of power transformer compared to distribution transformer. The most obvious disadvantage for power transformer is the size. The size of power transformer is larger and heavier. The power transformer size is large because it will be operated at higher power, and also the size of auxiliaries are large. While for distribution transformer, the size are small. In distribution transformer, the auxiliaries are less size, so the total size is less compared to the power transformer. Next, the disadvantages for power transformer is maintenance of transformer. The transportation is difficult. It's also not easy to be repaired. The testing equipment also costly and time consuming. Next, the distribution transformer, it requires minimum service and provide reliable service for many years.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Akmal bin Muhammad Hafiz. From the picture have been shown, the power plant generates electricity and will step up the voltage for transmission. It will go to the transmission line for the long distance. After that, it will step down the voltage and distribute the electricity to the houses.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Farihan bin Yaakob, and today I will explain about power transformer. As we can see here, there are transformer. This primary transformer and this secondary transformer. The information about the transformer here that are given below. So the antenna for the primary is 400, voltage for primary 12 volt, current for primary 13.5 ampere, and for the secondary antenna is 800 for the voltage 54 volt, and the ampere current is 3 ampere. And lastly, the resistor given is 18 ohm. And for the question is, how much power dissipated by the resistor? So we use the formula power P equal to I square R. For I, we take from the secondary because resistor at the secondary transformer. So we substitute the current, put the current 3 ampere, and the resistor have given 18 ohm. For the last answer, we times the formula and we get the 162 watt. So this is how to calculate the power dissipated by the resistor. So lastly, what can I relate the power transformer and this subject, electrical technology, BEE 2373 is we need to calculate and measure the volt of the some premise needed. So in this subject we have learned how to calculate